Changing the color on a Renu outlet is really easy and takes just a few seconds. Simply take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into the removal notch located at the bottom of the wall plate, and snap the wall plate off. Next, taking 2 fingers, push down on the face plate. Easy does it. Now, taking my new color face plate and making sure that my bottom hinge tabs go into my holes, I snap it in. Lastly, taking my decorative screwless wall plate, I want to make sure that the removal notch is at the bottom as well as the Leviton logo. And snap it in. There you have it, a new color, Renu in a snap.